Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is the second video lecture of class 5 science. Open your book, page number 34, unit number 7, living things. There is a variety of living things on the earth. What does it mean to be alive? What characteristics do all living things, organisms have that make them different from non-living things? Let us study these features in detail. We will study about the features of living and non-living things through an activity. This is flower. This is flower. This is a flower. Is it a living thing? Does it need air? Yes, it needs air. Does it need food? Yes. Does it move? Can flower move? Yes, flowers can move. Does it grow? Yes, flowers can grow. They grow from seed. They grow from seed to stem. They grow from seed to. We will differentiate between living and non-living things features with the help of an activity. This is a flower. Is it a living thing? We will conclude that with the help of this table. First, does it need air? Yes, flowers need air to produce their food like carbon dioxide and oxygen. Does it need food? Yes, flowers need food. Does it move? Yes, flowers can move from one place to another place in different ways. Since they prepare their own food, they need not to go from place to place in search of food, but certain parts of plants show movements. For example, the sunflower moves in the direction of the sun. Does it grow? Yes, they can grow. Is it living? If these flowers have these all features, then it is a living thing. Yes, this is a living thing. And the second thing is book. Now we observe that is book a living or non-living? Does it need air? Does book needs air? No. They can live without air. Does it need food? No. Does it move? Can book move from one place to an place? Do you see? No. Does it grows? No. They remains in their size. Is it living? If book have not all these features, then it is not a living thing. It is non-living. Let's come towards the third thing, which is fish. Does fish needs air? Yes. Fish needs oxygen. They live in water and oxygen is dissolved in water. Does it need food? Yes. Fish eat food. Does it move? Yes. Fish move from place to place and this movement is called locomotion. Does it grow? Yes. Is it living? If fish have all these features, is it a living thing or non-living? Living. Yes, it is a living thing. And the last thing is football. Does football need air to alive? No. Does it need food? No. Does it move? Can football move without the help of living things or humans? No. Does it grow? No. It also remains in its shape. Is it living? Because football has not all these features, so it is not a living thing. It is non-living things. Hope you all understand about the differentiate between living and non-living things. Allah Hafiz.